Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask to connect to Aave, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type MetaMask and press enter. Click on the official MetaMask website link in the search results. Once on the website, locate and click the download button. You will see options for various platforms like Chrome, iOS, and Android. Select the appropriate version for your device. For Chrome users, click on the link to the Chrome Web Store. On the Chrome Web Store page, click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once installed, you will see the MetaMask logo in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. You will be welcomed by the MetaMask introduction screen. Click Get Started to proceed. If you already have a wallet, choose Import Wallet. If you're a new user, select Create a Wallet. Follow the prompts to create a secure password for your. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, then click Agree. Now, you will receive a secret recovery phrase. Write it down securely, as this is crucial for recovering your wallet. After noting down your recovery phrase, click Next. You will be asked to confirm your recovery phrase by selecting the words in order. Once confirmed, click All Done. Your MetaMask wallet is now set up. To connect to Aave, go to the Aave website. Make sure you're on the official Aave site to ensure security. Click on the Use Aave or Launch App button. You will see a prompt to connect your wallet. Select the MetaMask option to connect. If prompted, approve the connection within your MetaMask extension. You are now connected to Aave and can start exploring the platform. You're fully set up to utilize Aave with your MetaMask wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.